So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So we have Raja, one of them gifter, them kick off my people. Over a local situation where it's like gifter married to a man in Jamaica, yeah. And the man where she married to is like the woman where the man left him ex a Raja friend, something of that sort there, right? So the woman must come out and party and vibes go on between the ex-woman and the married and the wife. Seeing where a little fight broke out and Raja did it when everything are going. So that caused a vibes between Raja and the wife that I am gifter. You see me? And them say Raja and the ex-woman a friend also. So we are going to hear Raja have to say about the situation, right? Because I'm going to explain it. We also have Dyema and Cute Boss. I talk about the situation and I reveal some things about the situation, and Raja like friendship with the female them because him and the two female a friend and him and the man a friend also. Them a say him set up the man pan the woman pan the gifter. So people that story boy, me I tell you TikTok never seem to amaze me. Me I tell you no people them come here some yo TikTok what people, you see my last words, me don't know what to say. So we are going here with Dyema and Cute Boss officer, we are here with Raja officer. We also have Shibada and done Owen at the wickedest way and Rob Ivany as well. We also have Owen my people I talk about the situation with him and him woman and our family and how him now go deal with the family no more. Cause you know what I mean, him hear everything we're going, you see. So the whole hospital situation, I guess him find out what going really. So we are going to get into that with people. Maybe share more with you know. But these are the things I have. I don't know if I left out nothing. But maybe add more things as we go on. So we can kick it off.
So when you know come and talk about me make Nisha do sexy and me make yo come on. You don't know that too. You don't know that too. You don't know that. I don't know me I do this. I don't know me I do this. I'm still me just a clear up some local thing. Me still have wallet more to say. Because I know how to control myself. Me not gonna make because I heard social media. Me I come and me I got boss out everything. Me have wallet more to say, wallet more what me do. Me ever say me not like to talk about what me do for people.
But they also like sitting down.
A young local boy. The only second to buy a bag to Nisha, a young local boy, make so much impact. But we don't even talk about. But we don't even talk to. Miss Cool boy, Pissy Tail boy, the CM boy, all of that. You see me?
And that is why
no, I try to turn Nisha man, but me know say that's not possible. Me might be can't get in touch with her right now, which me not gonna push it because Nisha have sense. She might be down now, but wait till she wake up. Wait till she wake up. Then you're not gonna know the real truth. Then you're not gonna know the real truth. You see me? Bro, something say what they we never know. When time they come talk about Nisha mother dead. Well, I'm turning the comment section for a second, because I want to know one thing. I ask you know one thing.
What's a very noisy car?
Let me ask you know one thing. Did me or Nisha come on social media and tell Uno say Nisha mother pass off?
Come on, Daddy, you can do it.
Did me and Nisha come on social media and say that to Uno? No.
That's better. Oh, that's
no.
More than better, actually. That's
Let me tell you, Uno never know say this boy have so much power. Uno never know. I find out everything, you know.
what happened.
I find out everything.
Because all these need to be plugged in and charged up, you see.
Well, I don't think me never more than know. I don't think that.
Be right back.
And I want to put on the paper say Nisha mother dead down there.
Faster, faster.
And I want to put on the paper say she dead.
Come on, Daddy. You're real.
And I want to do it.
Almost. There.
Probably the sister don't know. But the stepmother know. Because she couldn't get to go up.
Time's up.
So the sister and the stepmother need to talk, sit down and talk.
Excuse me, Miss Rabbit.
You need to sit down and talk.
Buy an electric car, please.
Because things are higher than talk.
We might need to save up a bit first, Pepper. So let's have another go on the toy cars instead. What do you think, Daddy Pig?
Daddy?
Watch out.
When it's wicked.
Coming through.
No. Let me tell you this.
Electric car.
The stepmother. You see me? Me don't even want to call her name, you know.
Boy, Miss Ready.
Me see she come on here and ask about TikTok money and this and that.
Pepper, George, and Mummy Pig
No.
are visiting the garage.
Me just say me I come show them my bank account, you know. And then me I say, yo, you overdo it, that thing too much. TikTok over ban you, don't make nobody try to control you or if you do things where you know if you do or whatsoever.
More than it takes in that time. There are lots of
Me now me couldn't get the best of me.
Look, George, this looks just like
My sister, you're all about the money.
garage.
Me see it. From the Monday night when time me I talk on the phone, they say come make me a race like big people. Me can play a voice note them now.
be with you
The voice note them, me can play them now. They say come make me a race like big people. The stepmother.
There's a yellow truck behind the yellow door.
When you say it to me, you know, me literally pause and I say, I wonder if I really have a conversation with this woman because you're a Nisha family, you know. Remember, say you don't like Nisha, you pretend like you like Nisha. Remember that. Remember that.
The toy garage is
I'm still a gatekeep. Because you know what me come bust it up. Trust me. I'm still a gatekeep. So don't come pretend.
This yellow truck needs
Don't come pretend.
this need to buy
You see me?
wash. Look,
Remember, say me a talk on the phone.
at the top.
I'm say to you, say, bro,
oh dear, the red car is
family need to step in and go come together and help out Nisha.
Like a car.
If I evil
Let's
2,000, 1,000, the whole of it can put together and try to help out Nisha. Because she need the support right now.
move the red.
She need the support right now.
Yay!
You see me? Me send a voice note about 30 minutes long.
all fixed.
About 30 minutes long.
Already?
Hooray!
Here we are, good, isn't it?
30 minutes long.
Thank you. But how do we get it out?
Which me never did have to explain so much to you. Because in a device note, me say, no, I'm going to tell you my business. No. I'm going to tell you my business. In a device note, me say it.
Just like the toy garage. Let's move the
You see me?
car and the
And me did I play the voice note. The reason why me say me not play a voice note, unless me have a pause it because some of my personal thing them, some personal information when I put in that voice note,
tractor
not to go up on social media.
and the motor.
You see me? But me can play the voice note.
No.
Them can play the voice note. Alright, you know say all of this and all of that then. Why never play the voice note then? Because if you not play it, you know,
The party
you know say well alright then.
and the car is
Free good I go on.
Oh dear.
Because when me attack a fox, me say come together.
a tow truck.
Come together. You tell me say from Nisha the out there. I must see about 2 pampers or 2 pieces of wipes. Which me now go down that road there. Cause I try my best to talk half me try my best to not talk pan Nisha. Me no want to talk pan that.
You're welcome.
You see me? But me know some more than that.
We get back inside.
Me know some more than that.
Solving car puzzles. Today
You see me?
day on the
And all that way do.
Yeah, some of people, when Oya say boy, he would have come show him bank book. That not necessary, me G. You see me? Me even see the stepmother still, you know. And me hear what she a say. As me telling my people, you see him come say the same thing. Me feel like say the stepmother pre the money. You see me? And she da want to separate the two of them so that she can enter the female life so that them can, you know what I mean, find a way to make money and she get involved in it and cut out how so money come to she. So she don't know say if she divide the two of them, right, is like the money maybe not go come in like how it used to come in because of the two of them make the money did not come in. You understand it? Just like the man we unalive the rooster where the end, the fall where I lay the golden egg. If you feel like say him a go get more egg, him a go get all of the egg when him unalive the fall, and that was the end of the egg. You see me I say, so me see the people, the stepmother, she look like say she want a piece of TikTok because she said the money I make on TikTok, and she look a bit jealous, you know what I mean, and want a piece of the action. I just saw me see it, you know what I mean, I always see it too, but tell me what you think, I don't must see she attack.
All I want in advice, I'm tell you say, bro, I tell you say, you know, I know me by the pampers them, I know me by the pampers them, I know me by the wives them.
I haven't won any game.
If you go to the lab, I know me pay for that. I borrow all my money, my mother help me out.
Get them next time. Does that mean
Yesterday I pay about them there. Yesterday.
Alright.
Yesterday I pay my rent.
More game.
let's play the dino dig. You have to dig up bones without waking up.
Tons of and load of thing the back of me. When I try to just say, you know what?
Go first.
Me say it'll come up too much for me now. Me say, bro, me need the help. Me say, go come together and help support Nisha.
That doesn't count out.
You are gonna look for me and tell me, say, that is my responsibility. Family have this fiddle, family have that fiddle.
Next time.
I suppose we have time for one.
Family have this fiddle, family have that fiddle. That is my responsibility. Me not have no problem. Me not have no problem. If take it up
Rock, paper,
by myself.
scissors, go.
Me say it in a device and say, yo, if me did have it, more don't ask enough help.
Oh, it's tails. Sorry about that.
Nisha, they have much in thing down there she can't even manage. Cause some of your program, me tell her in a advice notes, some of you go to work. Me have to really not have it.
No.
Some type of way if you can ask for the help.
It's a really good one called
You see me? And you come on social media with the same thing, you know.
Sounds fun.
Guys, that's why she come on the live, you know. I talk about it with all of the money there, all of this there.
Pepper set up a game of, well, Pepper's game. It looks very complicated.
I'm gonna tell you something. You see, if I when me read you up, woman,
yes.
I'm gonna tell you if I when me read you up. If I one time me, if I one time me out of the hospital. If I one time me out of the hospital, and one wipes are done, you look for me and tell me, say, she need one next wipe.
You lose.
One next wipes.
This is
Round two.
That explains everything.
Rock, paper, scissors, go.
She say, well,
Paper loses.
oh wait, it's up to you.
Mummy, be a hexagon.
That explains everything. You realize that me never, when they say to me never be rude to you, no?
That's a
I'm just like, okay.
Pepper's game keeps getting bigger.
Then time them a drain.
Take 3 cards, George.
Support my family what me have. Never supportive. Suppose they never help me out like so much. Cause I can't tell you, you know. I can never turn my back on my family to all them, come together and help me out. I'm tell you in a verse now say, yo, most of what I do,
Quiet.
I'm a family help me out.
well then. Shall we play again?
Everybody loves losing at Pepper's game today.
I tell you family there,
It's special and
my family help me out. Before Nisha go out
Can please.
at the hospital,
Bye.
before she go out there, you know,
Get lost.
we been a fight it, you know. A fight it together, you know.
Hello.
We been a fight it together. If Nisha there just beside me right now, she can't talk it too.
Hey, we're in a big
She can't talk it.
rush. Come on, George.
Pepper has gone through the blue exit. But George has
When
gone
I say Nisha there around there, I no carry nothing, come get nothing for water. What the frig?
has a soft tunnel with seasons.
If me there my mother yard now, my granny yard, my father yard right now.
Me and George
Me go.
have to go fast because we're
Me go.
in a rush.
Them things that the basic.
Bye.
Basic things in there.
George.
Where I'm not supposed to look on.
Extra fancy.
That not for look on.
Peppa, is this the way out? We're in a rush.
That not for look on. When me come on one day, you know. Remember saying about a week, I don't see Nisha when me come on one day. It's with the sister come up and give me the baby or something for me keep her for the day or so, and me go back around there and she will come for the baby or so. I don't see Nisha.
Maybe he's lost
Is that she asleep or she a bed?
Lost? We have to
If me, this is Nisha for them time there, and she say, yo, Ray, should out of hospital a long time. Me I tell you. Remember saying no? Them say one time me have her, she could walk. Guys, come on. Come on, hold on there.
He's not as good at bouncing.
Hold on there. Come on, guys.
coming, George.
You don't know say one time Nisha up here she did walk though. Because I come on live, you know.
It's just as fun as bouncing.
You don't know that. So when she up here she a walk. You don't know that.
Yes.
No, me I gotta tell you something. You see one time Nisha up here, I think on Sunday. It's like Nisha get little strength. So she will clean the bathroom.
You. It's time for us.
I'm gonna say, B, how if you clean the bathroom and you just get little strength? I wanna know Nisha turn already.
Having lots of fun.
She start, you get ignorant and say, me I clean the bathroom, I clean the bathroom. Cause everything depend on you and way. And Nisha wipe out the bathroom.
Love playing in the bouncing maze.
Full up her clothes and everything.
I would ever lose you again.
Nisha never stay like that.
Look out below. Whee!
She never stay like that.
Now we really have to go.
Excellent.
Nisha got bathroom, everything. You see me? Showing us something again.
Today, Peppa and her
When
family
you say me tell Nisha set up with the panel.
center.
It's all quite right.
You see everything what me I say?
I think I'll go with
Me have the receipt then.
try some of the smaller stuff.
Everything what me I say,
Daddy has
me have all receipt.
Well, as long as he
We can't have the Bible now and I swear.
But don't worry.
Me have all the receipt them.
You say. Guess
Be careful when you come and sit on social media.
Big. Come on, Mommy.
First up in the climbing center is the very tall
Be careful.
slide.
Wow. That's the big.
You know, not like me, you know. Because I remember saying, you know,
Yes.
when me run for the baby clothes, you know, when you say, you know, when Nisha come out, you know, come live with me back.
And hold
Remember
on to
that?
the bar. Hold on tight.
Remember?
Pull you up the slide. Just let go
Show us
if
something.
you want to slide down. Just let go.
When you say, me said up with the pan, Nisha.
Peppa and Mummy
No.
going higher and higher up the slide.
Remember saying, you know,
They are right
when
at
time
Um.
when you come for Nisha up here, you know, I wasn't here. Me never there home.
We can count to 3.
Me there garage with the car.
Okay.
Me did a garage with the car. Me get a call from my phone.
Daddy.
Say, Wagwan up a your yard.
So big.
Me hear screaming
Me and George,
and bag of nice up there.
don't we?
And me say, what?
Next up,
What you say?
wobbly pillar steps.
I call Nisha.
Very good balance to walk up these.
I say, Wagwan up here.
But if you do fall, these ropes
Then they start telling me everything.
perfectly safe.
Nisha start telling me everything. Them, the sister, then they up there.
Big.
When me come up, then they up there. When me come up back.
Whoa!
Mommy.
Oops!
No, me now tell them the dopey story part what them come tell her. Because as me say, me now talk about nothing. We go towards Nisha.
Roller wobbly steps.
Me gonna leave it alone. Me talk on feed them part what them come set on the media life. You come try to paint a bad picture upon me. You no come talk about that now. You no say me come tell Nisha say dopey upon her.
The buzzer is the winner.
Hey people, me not lie you still, you know. But me personally, me would trust the stepmother, you know. You see me I say, me would trust the stepmother. You know why me would trust the stepmother? Because me feel like say the way she come on the media and talk about the money, and me no business about them TikTok money where them a make. Like me don't know nothing about TikTok, and me dey on TikTok way. But all the talk, you know, when somebody a talk about something, like say them not interested in it, but and like say them not interested, them a talk like them not interested in it, but at that them really want to do, but through them not really know how to navigate the waters. That's why them a talk them. You know them type of manipulative talking? Yeah. And that me get from her. You see me I say? So the reason why me would trust her, you know, my people, is because the way she talk and she see the money I make on TikTok, and you know what I mean, their life are elevate. She want a part of it. You see me I say? So the best way if you do it, if you mash up the two of them. You see me? So more on tell me what you think about it. Seeing and upon a level me feel like say the girl she a go pull through, you know. You see now that the stepmother in charge of everything and the stepmother manipulate her brain and gain her trust, she a go pull through because the stepmother have the antidote. You know what I mean? So a long time the stepmother they do and mash up the two of them. So you never watch the show with the wicked stepmother yet, the people. We don't want to make this look like a show thing still, you know. But you never watch wicked stepmother show yet. And that one there just strike me as the wicked stepmother. The witch? Yeah. Let me know what I think.
And from that, every time she has the things. Can't talk about that now? I have the proof.
You okay, Peppa?
I think I have height problems too, Mummy.
I have the proof.
Okay, we can climb down if you want to.
I really wanted to press the buzzer at the top.
Wanna just lie.
You should feel proud.
Very lie.
Right. And you can always try again next time.
You beat me again.
Let me tell you something.
Peppa, why don't you
And
come and race
me there run from this you know because you don't know say yo.
Coming!
My daughter and them a family now too. And then could thing there.
No height problem
Auntie,
at all.
cousin,
Loves the climbing center.
nephew, all them could thing there. Niece and this and that. No niece.
Watching up with adventure movie.
So me try to avoid this. Me try to avoid it. But not how we grew up, you know. Not talking to enough of our family member.
Sorry.
That common in Jamaica. That common.
Everything
I'm say una push it.
Yeah.
Una push on the lock.
No.
Guys, my comment section stay.
great.
Una push on the lock.
To the movie.
Oh dear. There are
You
lots
see me?
of colourful.
So if I that way there, no business.
Daddy Pig
Me not need una help to take care of Nisha.
came out of.
Me walk with her anyway like my handbag.
Door, Daddy.
Anyway.
Behind the blue door, there
Yeah.
is a mermaid movie. Susie Sheep is watching it with her mum.
Hi.
Remember saying you know,
Ooh, I love Mermaid.
the Wednesday.
Can we watch this movie, Daddy?
Wednesday, you know.
Maybe another time.
Nisha called me say she wants something for heat.
A pink door.
Let's try.
And me say alright. Me dog garage because every time something do the car.
Mummy pig on
Every time I pull out the engine, everything, send it got tone, nothing never do the car engine.
Now are watching.
Everything did alright with the car. The car not have no problem. So from what they may pull on the car for nothing. The car to drive and lock off, it'll do this, it'll do that. You see me?
Definitely wasn't this.
But anyways, me dog garage again the Wednesday.
The yellow door leads to the
Nisha call me say, she want something to eat. You see me? Me tell the sister say, yo, I go buy one food
To the toilet.
for Nisha.
But we can't.
You want one food too? Yes.
We were in.
Wow.
I saw me roll. Me ask her she want a food too. Yes. I say, alright, well, I'm gonna buy 2 food. I'm gonna buy some fruits for Nisha.
We can look
You see me?
together.
Moms know
Maybe have
the palm I go buy it. Nisha call me back.
Dog would love
You see me?
that movie.
She call me back
But it wasn't what we
and say, wait.
silly
Which me
one.
now go say. You see me? So me not about to go buy food. Me just go to bloops and spin back set speed. Me fly go around one day.
Where we keep the popcorn.
And for the good while,
Sorry.
I didn't tell them I say Nisha back.
Worry. Happens all the time.
And she never did it in a good condition.
That sounds like our movie. Quick, Daddy.
Let me tell you something.
Rabbit.
You know, when I talk the condition Nisha did in, you know. You don't want me say it, you know.
Peppa loves watching adventure movies with her family.
The whole thing of a no say, you know. Me save that girl life that day, you know.
Daddy Pig too.
Back soon, Mommy.
Bye.
Daddy Pig has to pick
You
some.
know, come and talk this and talk that, you know.
Peppa and George are
You know, I'm talk that, you know.
Sorry, Mr. Rabbit.
I'm telling you something. So right now, he's a mad man.
George
I'm mad.
likes all the buttons in the lift.
Yeah.
Oh dear. All that button
You
pushing.
just talk to me right now, he's a mad man.
Whoopsie.
I can't tell you that.
Don't worry, George. I'm
And if anything for slide right now, trust me.
The buttons in the lift aren't working.
Trust me. Nah, pretty.
To the left.
Is this lift magic?
no. It's voice activated, which means
So everything will now come with, bro.
tell it where to go.
Just erase it out of my mind.
Oh.
Hello, lift.
Me say again,
Would like to go
me know.
to my office.
On the full up our head, I want bag of thing.
Lift is
Me
working,
know that.
Yay!
Floor 2. Office of these.
but
The last thing what she said to me say, you know,
the daddy pig
them say me chat too much. Them say me chat too much.
Not office please. Office
That alone, me know say, I bring things.
Office chief.
And Nisha never tell me nothing. When me go visit Nisha, me can bet say.
I said
When time go look for Nisha. Ever make she go say hey and laugh. Make she laugh.
Hey, more I know this for people. Why when people want Jamaicans want get them point across, sometimes them always I say, me a mud somebody, you know, wait. Them always try to make it look like say you know to play with them because it a go get ugly in the wickedest way. You see me I say, why? Eh? So people, alright, as me I say in my previous video and in another one here, like the stepmother, she don't sound like somebody where like is trustworthy. You know what I mean? You see, money is a thing that change a lot of situation and mess up a lot of people for them become a worse version of themselves because of greed. You know what I mean? And them can't satisfy with them have. Them want to have what them see the next man with. And enough of them see the work what the next man put in, but them don't want it that way. Them want it the easy way. So, you know what I mean? Them want what the next man have. But overall with people, more want to just tell more the thing about the stepmother because she come in at the picture, me start, you know what I mean, look upon her as somebody where for watch. She are the root cause of all of this thing, yeah. Maybe she mix up something and give a girl a drink, yeah? Or give her something to eat and fuck up a girl. Me are telling them people. You see, especially like how she had no blood. Yo, people. Yo, and every smile is a smile, them saying, man. You have to know who you are. Yo, and then again, you can't really know people. You can't really know mankind. You know what I mean? We could watch some more people.
And if I go so I will chest, I shall never do that.
doesn't seem to understand Daddy Pig's
We can't bet on that, so we never do that.
Can we go to Daddy's job?
Right now, if I ask her, we will never ever do that. Because I go there, I go there with no information towards nobody.
The top,
I have to tell her, say this I go on, that I go on.
please.
Pepper and her family
Me not do that.
trying to get to Daddy Pig's office.
Which have make you happy.
Magic lift takes them to the wrong floors.
You see me?
Boy!
Which have my best to make you happy. So Uno must know what Uno I do. As me say, I have no control over this right now. Me just there still. If you want help with anything, same way.
On the right floor until
I support her because you don't know, say, yo, I'm a baby mother that. Probably if we didn't married, you could have given me no talk.
No, Mummy Pig. Just had a little.
If we didn't married, then you could have given me no talk.
Be there soon.
Pepper and George really love the magic lift.
But you have some things you need to go fix up, go fix it up.
Daddy Pig much prefers
You don't have to like me, you know. I'm telling you, you know. You don't have to like me. You do, remember say, me not really deal with whole heap of Uno around the door. From a taller time.
Have you
From some taller things that happen.
house yet?
wanna say towards me.
It's a special funfair house.
In my present, what I was going to tell me I did it.
And funny hallway.
Remember. And as I said, I need to go dig up what them there. Because I'm on the same thing. I not forgot to dig it up back. Because I dig it up back in our pretty.
Rabbit. 2 for the fun house.
So all of this I go on.
Mummy Pig must
What should I do? I just ease on yourself. Look into it, always say, yo, I really talk, always say, we need to come together and help Nisha.
Thank you,
I really talk to myself. Than for looking on yourself and say, boy, blah, blah, blah. That's your responsibility.
This is the rickety rabbit.
Alright, if somebody come up, take it back now. Let me show you something.
The rest of
The jerk pan now. Alright, let me tell you why I'm not top on the jerk pan thing.
very soon.
Can you see me top on the jerk pan thing?
Bridge.
It will look bad. It will look very bad, like,
Very fast.
on my
Always
first main love side. So yeah, me now go top on that. Anything I know say it will harm Nisha.
Now you need to follow the
Because-
arrows.
way, George.
Yo, me I tell you. Me now talk on that.
Mirrors are so wobbly.
The funhouse mirrors
Me now talk on that.
George look very silly indeed.
You see me?
This mirror makes me look so tall.
All thing I say towards that, remember say me come here and not chat for my name, you know. Then turn that bicycle mirror that I just go way back. The whole thing I talk on that.
Makes you look weird.
And behind that is some other thing going.
And this mirror makes me
You see me?
look like this.
But me a big man, me a boy.
That's because
You hear that? Me never come talk on that. As me say, if me talk on that, wanna see him and I go like you again.
The funhouse tunnel spins round and round,
Chat, what more them say?
and
Me actually have to do with everything as best as possible. When me know if it touch, me not go touch.
We get to go.
Oh, them say we do it all that TikTok money. Savings. Oh, savings. Alright. Savings. No. I don't have a bank account.
Fun house was really
Nisha have a bank account.
How fitting.
everyone loves the funhouse.
We share the same PayPal.
House is very
Anything going there, Nisha see. If me have a dollar right now, Nisha can stay way
come to us.
a yonder and go up on her phone and see the amount, see anything I go on and know.
bad.
So no, Nisha would have be. Nisha would have just sit down there and know say, yo, but you really have this and buy this something for me? Eh? Nisha wouldn't do that.
Has a balance.
Nisha herself can go look.
You have to walk across it without falling into the ball pit.
But you wanna see how we are live
You'll get
happy.
all the way through without
I'm not like that.
to the ball pit.
We live like a rich though.
We
We know. We live like a rich. I want to not have it, man. Come on, I can smile.
George, Pepper,
We come on, I can smile, man.
elephant must cross the balance beam.
Like the things are going.
Is finding the balance
When things not go on.
beam difficult.
Try going sideways.
And when you come off our flag, we sit down and talk about that. Oh, we're going to fix this. Oh, we're going to fix that. It's a me, bo baby rush up. I never come on social media, come to and say, guys, my baby rush up, you know, and
It's
me not like that and blah, blah, blah.
in the park.
Me never talk on that.
What's this?
You can talk on that.
Pepper is very good at swinging.
Hooray!
Me never talk on
Hold
that.
on tight, George.
When time I go on, so she never rush up. She never rush up. And Alif AC never out here, so
You go, Edmund.
she still wouldn't rush up.
And
I tell you that.
feeling a little nervous about it.
Why don't we go together, Edmund? As a
Remember, say, I'm not talk about light bill.
idea.
Remember,
Yay!
and like have fun.
Hey,
My remarks was, you know, when me hear that part, you know. So, okay then, if fun lock off then, why you never, like, when you reach out to me then, and say, yo, here what, this I go up, or if light bill I go up, say to me, say, yo, oh wait,
This
pay
is
that part, you know, because this I go up and that array.
we can't
Let me pay my part because I'm my youth. Me no have a problem for do that.
on.
Me no have a problem for do that. My mother keep my daughter, you know. She no rush up.
knows how to
And my mother house a concrete house, hot like fire.
Oh,
Hot.
I've got it.
My mother house hot.
Edmund and elephant is very
Yeah?
good at puzzling.
And she no rush up. She do rush up.
I'm a clever clocks, you know.
We're on the puzzle.
Everyone has made it through the adventure park.
That was very clever, Edmund.
Hey, my people, you see me? Do that never. At least,
Hold on.
me just say that right now, me don't know where the future holds, but I've never, and I hope I will never, ever. You see me, I say, go
No.
in our family by dating a female,
The last-
and them don't
the
like
last
me.
thing when me
You see
reply
me,
and
I
say
me just
to the
want
godmother.
know say something I go on,
To the-
and then show it
to
some bad
stepmother.
face. I eat that, me no want
Because
you
when
know
me son of the
family with
wrong
them
first
that
note,
like
so we
them
want-
youth. You see me, I say, that me I say. Big woman thing. I'm not advising nobody because you see,
thank you so much.
them they like
When we
you,
reply,
them
I'm
they
say to
like
the-
oh, you know,
the
I guess
the
maybe all
godmother say,
family
"Mama,
they
all
like
our
them
come together
either." So right there, so
help out
from the
Nisha,
family
so
background,
she have everything.
don't want them to be together.
You
It's
see me?
rough with people, no matter
You
how they
know,
love each
you
other.
can't tell me
But
say
we
no.
know all the things
Oh,
because you
all
know,
the way
man,
say a while
you can
ago, me
start
not
from this up,
understand
but
that.
you
Me
end
not
up
understand
that's
what you say a while ago.
everything. You know what I mean? Get better and
Get a reply and
one
say.
of the best thing. But me not plan to go through no.
It was a tall
for
first
with
note, you
no
know. Me
family
can't say
member.
everything what she saying
They
there
want to do
because
say,
me not
yo,
like them.
me are there with your daughter.
Me no want
and
like them.
If you don't like it,
Yeah,
yo,
oh, me I say,
don't
me I
show
deal
it.
with the situation
Just
the
don't
right
say
way.
your
Me nah
daughter
go-
child.
me nah
This
come
is
and me
not
nah
your
go
child
shout.
because we're not dealing with
me
you.
everything what me I tell you, no?
Daughter.
Facts.
Simple as that.
Everything.
But know the thing. Don't want some more people.
Very.
Facts me I tell you, no.
But George isn't very.
When she said all of that, me said to her, say,
Do you,
with all
George?
due respect, don't talk. Don't talk.
Going somewhere.
This area, Carmen, has lots of special toys.
That was the time when me. That was the time me decided to say, yo, you know what? Me talk to my God and me just know say, yo, you know what? You go up on live, you go ask for the help to try to support Nisha out of the hospital. That's why I come and say, guys, no one cannot do it.
Has seen another part of the calm room that George might like.
That's why I come and say, God, no one cannot do it.
This is the nature.
You talk about say you go out there and you wash, you wipe off or you this or you that. Yeah, you wipe off. You see me, you wipe off and this and that. Everybody happy for that. You see me? And you, bro, me not want, me and none the same thing. Me not talk about on bring and on this and that.
I think how we are trying the act right now. You understand me? When we say oh we in some sheen, you know me I say right till him I feel himself. But nevertheless, a time for the retard then step up. Nevertheless, I don't have no qualms. I see the people in there coming. Look at the boy alone. Of course, never leave him, just like how Nisha planned to let him. You see how we lie? People never tell us something. Oh, we have 50 different stories when him a beg, you know. Oh, we have 50 different stories when him a beg. Hear this. Always say him not have no savings. Who did hear? Always say him not have no savings. Who did hear? Always say him not have no savings. Because they say, oh no, just love mix up, you know. Always say him not have no savings, you know. Then we come back down and say Nisha savings done down. Me I tell you something. They do not hear always she come back. The girl always come back, you know, and always say, you know, say Nisha never want depend on the internet. And me, you know, and me force her to depend on the internet. So come here, always. If you bring Nisha on the internet, why Nisha have an account and you don't have an account? Who YouTube used to pay before you draw Nisha for come stand up beside you on the internet? Who YouTube used to pay your granny? Me just ask. Me tell you, say your lies them now make no sense. I pay a piece of story you come with every day for big. Every day you come with piece of story for big. We don't want a piece of story. No piece of story. How it really go. Make we wrap up this shit from now. And more things that come on the internet and we can't bother stuck here for. For 3 weeks we do on Jabbas and in no profit with nothing. Come man. Every day you come with piece of story. No, me can't talk about that. Me can't talk about that. Me say me never did ever talk about that. Then don't talk, come off of the app. Because the moment you come on the app, everybody go want to know what's wrong with Queen Nisha. What is wrong with Queen Nisha? Everybody go want to know. So you can't talk about that. No, me can't talk about that. You can't talk about nothing. We end up on the app. So to that if Kitty take the money, you know, say, oh we are also, we can't cost Kitty and take Kitty for the money. God believe me. Oh me will cost Kitty for the money and my friend Shay just rob Britney. How me will class Kitty and my friend Shay just rob Britney? Eh? And oh we are hustle for Nisha. Then oh me will class Kitty. Kitty where you can't hustle, you hustle, you my love. I can't class Kitty. More than me can't say Kitty you take the money for true. You see an opportunity you make use with it. I can't class Sticky. I cannot class Sticky. The whole of them do the same thing. See Sky Diamond, TikTok liar, Rosalie did a hustle for Jabba's situation. I can't class them. Kitty hustle Kitty. PayPal locked down with the child money. Oh, I can't understand when PayPal locked down, when Zelle locked down with Ivany, with Tiki money. I wanna understand. Kitty, Zelle locked down. Kitty, Zelle locked down. The people in my teeth bad on the app. I refuse to say people in teeth bad on the app. No, I them nature. I them nature, I love. The people in my live. The people in my living on them orders. I them nature, I love. Them are living on them orders, my love. They don't know really talk about Kitty. Kitty see an opportunity, of course. After the Kitty alone, I hustle for Nisha. And the Kitty alone, I hustle for Nisha. All we are hustle for Nisha. When you can't come and talk, say you're a baby mother, one pampas. Oh, women not like that hurt me. And that hurt. Why one thing with Nisha though, our family, them blessed. Them blessed with youngness. What are we, Nisha mama young? Nisha mama young, she young, and Nisha still under oh yeah stress her. And Nisha want a conk in her face with a map stick here. Me not lie, with a conker in her face with a map here. Honestly, then me could have really make always stress me and me come out a young breed. You know, see how my family them favor Pharrell. Yeah, them favor Pharrell meaning that them forever young. Me not ask you, I mean still under oh with me and him account dumpling. Cheer it evil. No, me can't with them something I love. Too young. Me say, Nisha, me tell you this from heaven to earth. And a long time I should have said this, I'm heart to earth me now. You know? A long time I should have said this, but you see, sometimes when you like people, you keep your mouth shut. You see your little girl, come here. Whether you're sick, lame or lazy, may I talk to you? You see, you little girl, you're going to be one of the little girl will waste all your youth and building a boy. You see, as the boy feel like imbalance, you think, oh, we want you for happily ever after. Go on, Nisha. Nisha, go on. Remember me tell you this. People might not like you when I say, but me I tell you this. Nisha good as, you see, when you recover, come in and go say if. You see, when you recover, left away. Leave your baby father. People now go come out bold and tell you the truth. But little girl, it's when me look on your mama and see oh your mama and you favor sister, because you look even older than your mother like you're the first one. But nevertheless, moving right along, it's when me look on your mama and that fear, stress, strain and borrow poverty. Eh? Me will tell you the truth. God bless our family with youngness. Me don't know if it stop at you or your mama, but God bless our family with youngness. And you still gonna make all we are stress you, Nisha, oh we know why, you know. Oh we do why you. Oh we want you when you never have nobody, when nobody never want him. You know why you. Nisha, you know say, oh we changing your side. Come here you girl. Come here. You know say, oh we changing your side. Nisha talk truth. Right now, oh we are bathed when him wake up and bathed when him go sleep. Dress up when him in a dream. You know, so the boy now while the boy have vision elsewhere. Then what are we as how we take the baby so? How we got turn on live. How we never did talk about nothing. How we take the baby and hustle after the baby. Then Ivany teach how we. Ivany really teach how we take the
Hey, my people, me don't really feel like say I want the dog, no want her, you know. Me just feel like say the dog taste get expensive. You see me I say? Me just feel like say him have expensive taste, you know. Him see other female a flirt with him and him, you know what I mean? Him just want touch the road and rare. You see me? But me feel like him still love him woman. You know what I mean? He's not attractive or attracted to her no more. I think he still does and he's in love with her, but he want to test the waters if I so be the case what she bother say. But I want you to tell me what you think in the comment section with people, because Jano boy, it's been a roller coaster ride for them too, yeah. You see it, and the family them no make it better, because them are part of the problem. Because if them left them, make them be and do them thing by themselves and don't interfere none at all, them would have live out them life. But family are carry grievance for a long time, and now that money are run, them want some of the money, but them know so them now go get it if all in the picture. So right there, so then them want get him out of the picture so that them can involve in the money making and have the little girl and make money for them. That me see. You see it? But people, let me know what you think. You know what? We are going to move on to our next, because we're on that topic here long enough. We are move on to the next. Oh, we are watch some more Shibada. I forgot, so we just think there. Switch it over to Shibada. We'll watch a little bit more and then we are going to move on same way.
baby from the family and go live right away. But by the way, I do not talk about Nisha sick. I wonder if how we beat Nisha. I wonder if how we beat Nisha, stress out Nisha. I wonder if how we beat Nisha under the belly. And from long time this man, me not think of sickness. Me not think nobody will be a Nisha either. Me just think say, oh we know what caused Nisha for breakdown and oh we just don't care. Cause foolishness. Yeah. It might give one story about she thumped me in my eye and she thumped me in my eye. That's why I not come on for 3 days. Oh we gonna sit on your sound like a batty boy. Always start behave like him a text with man pan phone. God know, me know them little feeling and I remember enough man me taking a Nisha with a one man you take. I just have put it there so I remember enough man me take. Always not what him see my baby. If I me like you as me recover so as me recover my left away. When you think I joke me I make I don't understand upon the life think I joke me I make people now go talk it the way me talk it. People now go talk it. You say if you look on the family action, you know everything we want in the relationship. When you look on the family action, you say some of in the ghetto, that's why the son last in the system and the daughter turn prostitutes. You see all the family quick for jump around Nisha. You see all the family quick for jump around Nisha and how we have set up the internet for cost the family. How the family supposed to class you because you're the #1 handyman in Jamaica, you sit down on the app. You don't even print flyer and say I can plunge tile it, I can screw this, I can do that. You're not even build flyer and put up and say them something there. You sit down on the app a big and then you talk about people bad mind you. No, nobody at time. Let me tell you the truth, nothing that about me. Nobody could bad mind you still live in a board. No disrespect, you know. But we never say people bad mind you just look around. You still in a board. You fashion Foona Kingdom make out a board. Foona Kingdom make out a board, no disrespect. But Foona Kingdom for young people make out a board. You look abandoned. Me not ask you, you're too young for live so. I care zero when nobody wants to say. Yeah. You should have inherited that board villa there from your family. Then I would understand. But you can't build up board and you keep building up board. And you have what I can ask? Oh, you stop. Take care of your family. Focus on your family. Focus on your family. People now tell you the truth. They might hide with you. People are laughing off you know that's the hardest part. Because now what I could have somebody and when you came home a board from door to ceiling a board. So stop. Stop. That is why when people are talking about say, I don't know, but I think say land for $10 million. Land is not for $10 million. You don't know nothing, so you just shut up and sit out of this. Because you don't know nothing. Always should be one of the smartest individuals. Yeah, come on the upper big pampers. Howie, pampers. You come on the upper bed. And only depend the app, only depend internet from before internet was a thing. No, honestly. You come on the upper disgrace the child but she want pampers. And me tell you say the child only even want me know say she a piece of shit in a pampers. And the son stay and he's a man. He's a dirty man. Me tell you say some other boy just want push you out in a things but you don't know for own a family. You don't know how to keep a family. Or we did want to come out for the gelding truck because they can't take the mountain from the app. Everything them do it for the gram. Yeah, it's just that's why Nisha bang up. That's why you bang up the lady daughter. It's true. You're not hot, you don't look good, you don't look not all. Eh? That's why Nisha never want to show the baby. Because the baby favor Owie. It's true. You come from the upper disgrace the child just because you don't want big. And this is where I say my body drop the morals. What do you mean they are young, so if you start, B0Ss is not bad. Baby girl, go suck your mother. Go suck your mother without apology. Go and suck out the deepest part of your mother without apology. You come and tell me about they are young, so B0Ss is a start. Make your son graduate from school and go build a board structure. Move on a stinking self. Go suck your mama. As son you use on a charm and hold on people in a poverty. Go nyam out your mother. Right, but you don't see nothing wrong. The board is a star. No boy, no young boy no want to go to no girl in no B0Ss.
He look like say she bother get like him all too long, you know. He remember like in the youth days, like young boy days. He remember that. Because if she bother I go say no young boy no want go to no woman in no B0Ss. She bother a young boy that go to a girl under tree. You would have live with a girl under a tree as long as she have a hole. Me I tell you that. In a touch house under a tree, out a door, rain and wet them, he would have go as long as she have a hole. Because when you're young, you I'll ride you like how the man them over came on the spark and ride the jackass them or the horses them. You see me I say? Me I tell you that you better say no young girl no want go in no B0Ss with no man. Would I look on it that way there different. But let me know the thing people I watch some more.
No young boy, so why a girl should have settled with a man in a boat? Go suck your mother, you dirty woman. Suck out your mother. You're bright here. You come and dim the people in future already. Did you think me can send my pin to school and my pin and run off with man? Go live in a boat villa, go suck your mother, dirty woman. Your mother lives somewhere. If your mother live in a board, don't graduate out a board and go in a board. You can't graduate from board primary or board high and go in a board university. You're not elevating. You live in America in a B0Ss. Now let us talk about those kind of B0Ss people. Let us talk about those kind of B0Ss. You see how we're stealing? You see him stealing? Eh? You know, see him stealing for young people and handyman. You know, see remove her belly in Escalating. Lady, if you're never born in a poverty, don't speak about poverty. Because what we do, we entertain ourselves in poverty. And that much you don't understand. Go on, you go suck out your mother. You will give a boy your crutches off a bed now have no head and him asleep or sponge, but once it's spread you can't lay down. At this are your crutches there. At this are your crutches there. Of course I rent him up here. Yeah, pay rent. This is the beauty about it, you know. We are so porn-wise and penny foolish, all because of hype. And so when you talk to me on the internet, people run with what they want to run with and say X, Y, and Z. No. Let us talk about, not in our granny days, our mother's days. Let us talk about in our time. You breed in your mother's house. And your man at work. You're not going to rent a board house. We know say Westmoreland come with board houses. You understand? Because you have a little parish down there in a Westmoreland. Westmoreland is a parish, but in a Westmoreland you have a parish named Little London. We all understand that. We're not talking about that, so don't make such comparison. We're not talking about that. Of course, the boy fix up in place piece by piece, but change a phrase, change a sentence. The boy now fix up in place. The boy fix up people place, piece by piece. Let me tell you something. Go for housing trust, go show your pipes on a young. The more money you collect, when you go up, you go pay. Go up, you go pay so till you can borrow. And you say the same way you pay a car loan, and the same way you go pay a mortgage. When you like to hold back young people in a life and then call them thief and worthless. Me not look at when you go suck on the man. Now you see why some boy not have a push forget nothing in a life more than just have a big bed and a TV and him get enough girl. A woman attack saying a woman attack saying so now the boy he fix up in place piece by piece and you know see him draw Nisha in a poverty more and more. You know see it? You know, see, my draw down in a poverty, none of them is not strong for say, we cannot develop someone's property. You understand me? Because what about tomorrow if life take away and God elevate us from board to block or to steel or cement? You understand? What we going to do with them board there? What we going to do with them board there? Oh, we're going to sell them back. You wouldn't even have a chance to sell them back because they would have unnecessary to you down to the money. People have to start from somewhere, but it's all because of which part you want to start. You never know say that. It's how you start, you know. It's how you start. You see, when you not have the yasso, you take shit from anybody. When you not have the yasso, let me tell you, them they have a kitchen and a bedroom. Them used to be and them bed I eat. Show or false. You start make a little money, you have to elevate from your surrounding which held you in poverty. When you talk about growth, me not like the people who will build up mansion in the ghetto where them born and grow. You can never survive. You're going to end up bridge light in the mansion and water and cable, even cylinder. So when someone is still going to go like a dunce, una reason with, remember someone una dunce real bad. Someone una dunce real bad and the reason why I have subjects are because you can repeat what you say. It's not that you understand what you say. You understand me? There's a difference in repeating than comprehending. So just leave it right there so. Because all of una talk a bag of shit. If me find a boy, I'm decide to run left my mother. And me and the boy have a kitchen so till we have put the phone. So and me in a class over there, me a highlight so other young persons who believes them want to let them woman arms because them all a gash are a tick like time bomb, stay away there else they end up in a situations like this. Anyways, me I watch it for me I do this. And then you have to do this and go into the next room, go sit down and then come so now and start eat. You get what me I say? To the point where you can't leave on the phone so and have space and move up and down. No. My thing is this. You don't have the mind, none of you have the mind to elevate. The moment you have a generation in the same boat villa, it simply means that you're very comfortable. Me I look at you. It simply means you're very comfortable. Me eat a girl or a boy will build mansion in a ghetto. Me eat it. Yeah, my family had this, so I go build it up. You don't have nowhere. You don't own nowhere. When your mother own, you don't own nowhere. Mother and father are blessed as a child that have his own. And let me tell you something, always take a man where I excel, not a man where I retrograde or I recede like airline. Always take a man where I go up. Then they don't have no vision for come out of St. Thomas and go live at Portland or any parish and go live up in the Cherry Gardens. Nisha now want to go come bright light and look up at the city and say we make it now.
Alright, so people, we will move on to the next. We will go over Raja and Dyema them situation, you know. But it look to me, my people, me don't know them, me don't know the story behind them still. But to me, it look like say, oh, we don't really a come from nothing. You see me, I say like him family not have it like that. And it look like say him baby mother, she not really a come from nothing. But it look like say she a come from little better than where him a come from. That's why them never want them together. You understand me? I saw it look to me by what she bought I say. So people, yo, love I love you, man. I love who you love, but don't love no cruff. You see me, I say don't fall in love if the two of you now have a headway. You see me, I say, because although me can't really say that because love I love her, and sometimes you can't choose who you love, and then sometimes you get together with a person and you just build from this so and only reach far in life. Because enough people can tell you their success stories, so they never have nothing and them and them partner build. So me can't really tell a person what to do still, you know what I mean? Because people have to live them life for themselves. But I know what I think my people. I make sure about finish him sentence and then move on to the next.
So when you not talk and I say, leave the people them alone and nobody not trouble them. Me I like the rest of young girl them who for all a tick like time bomb and them want a man. The boy bed not have up the head and he can't in a one old broke down roof with louver glass window. Louver. You understand me? And that is fine. My daughter have a man. And that is so fine. Yeah, goodbye people. Hey y'all. Sorry about that. The sun hot in the early morning. Sun really hot. Every time I say oh we lie, I cut the eye. No, it's not lie. No, for true. You see, oh we draw the child into this all because you don't want to give the child no money. And ladies, you don't have to understand. You don't have to understand. No, there with no boy we not give you nothing. You don't have to understand. Then our boy if you carry in them workplace and get a job, that simply means Nisha not get no money from her because everybody a chat shit. But we just go down in the rules. When always say Nisha savings done, what kind of money we give Nisha in the house? Because Nisha not a girl when used to man a come in and a give her money and you live with man. None of the big crutches thinking old girl not talk that. None of them not talk that. The boy bring her because he's very manipulative, lazy and mean. So he give her a work. So he don't have to give her nothing. So it's easy enough for she jump up and use spare savings. And when them have one savings, as them always say, because we are going to say him not have no savings, but yet say that he bring Nisha into the whole life thing. So who used to pay Owe on Facebook? On YouTube? Who used to pay Owe? Any account Owe used to use on YouTube, use it. Go in it. I tell you, everybody wanna sit on the net, wanna call them Christ. Everybody wanna sit on the net, wanna call them Christ. Now ask you. When I plan to go Panama, use the Panama money for Nisha. I wonder if Nisha always work on them Panama money. I wonder if Nisha always work on them Panama money. I Auntie, can stop map now. You know me about this, yo. You know, say, I'm not there for mapping, God, no. Wanna think me a Harry Potter? None of them film. I think there's something I like doing them. I mean nasty, you see. All of see me a go on, so nobody thinks me a clean girl, you know. I'm a little bit nasty, just when the camera turn on, we just do this. Yeah man, can we not do this regular when the camera turn on, I want to trick on them. Everybody do it. Everybody a trick on them. Well, it's true. If I me like Nisha, I'm left away. But you see the tone of work ending and I don't trust on them. I don't trust her. It make it difficult for deal with her. But all I know, always a big girl. Always a big long time before time watermouth girl. Always a big woman. I say ladies, be careful of the man they wanna take on the car, make on hold to jump and cocky latch on to the clit. No, if you give a boy a $1 you give him a $1 because this is not baby father material. This is not even settle down material. Me no want that boy. Me no want that boy. Go on take your cocky to the robot taxi. Go on. Yeah. Me no know, I don't know. It look like anything how we want, how we get. Because in all of this, the breeding is not Nisha own. The breeding is how we own. Nobody, me no want nobody, me not even want the parents them tell me nothing. So Nisha didn't want a baby. Lie. You know how long the people them are struggle on the breed. You know how long how we are drought. You know how long Nisha the pan peel. Like when you throw rice grain pan bride. You know how long. So when them people say them young, them have to start somewhere and them in the boat villa. Me a careless girl. Me is a big careless dirty orange girl. I'm a could breed in a board house. You're mad? No, if we delay, because we're young. We are Y-O-U-N-G. We are young. Yeah. Me not ready to not baby yet. But all we want to come off a girl in Chuck. Nisha is not a prop. And all we need to stop treating Nisha like she's a prop for his own gain. And nobody not see that. But that's so when time woman devoted to man as that man do them. As my mother, that's say you find a fool, you use a fool. No.
So me start plus our man and I say, what I need for come for you, you know, live here. You understand him? I say, no, Melissa wants to say something to me, it's urgent. So when we go out there now, something wrong with our clothes, like some tear, so me have to go get a safety pin. So me left the dance for show you how me deal with this woman good, you know. Me left the dance, me go over one of my virgin house, me get the pin, and me come give her. No come carry no news here, so destiny. Miss hear everything myself. No carry no news here, so germs box. No carry no news here, so me know you. No carry no news here, so me over them myself. You think you can make me cuss Dyema? Come suck me. I no carry no news here, so I go suck your mama. Me did over them myself. No carry no news here, so. Yeah, when me get the pin now and she done fix her clothes and something. And she done fix her clothes and something, people will say, alright then, we are going at the party. Remember, you know, me and one of my brethren go for her, you know, and him, you know. Them a come, but the thing is, me will fear and them they behind me. Right? Me they in front, them they behind me. You understand what me I say? So when me I come through the party, you know, remember me in front, you know. So me I clear the crowd with my hand and I bring them through. I remember me in front, a crowd where I go through. So me I clear the crowd, my whole one her hand, she they behind me. Remember she they behind me, you know. Her husband, they behind me, you know. My next friend they behind me, her husband, cousin they behind me, you know. Me in front, I clear the crowd, I bring her through. I go wheelchair badness. Me I bring her through the crowd. When me I bring her through the crowd, you know, remember me can't sit behind me, what I'm behind me, you know. I just hand my wall in and I clear the crowd, you know. Yes, when my wall her hands up, I feel some shake up round there. I feel like some moving up again. So me look back now. When me look back, I see, I feel like she had draw me and try go to the baby mother. So the baby mother push her. She has said the baby mother push her. But remember, I know me I clear the crowd I go through. Me hold one her hand. She there behind me, I hold one her hand and I clear the crowd I go through with one hand. I remember she saying, no, me can't leave her and gone on my table, you know. How do me know say the woman is a wicked woman and that get me upset, you know. I know she make it look like my walk left her, You understand what I say? And this woman is a liar. Because when me hold your hand and I clear the crowd, I me feel the railings. Just when me look round people, I draw me going at the middle. I'm a wall or so. Because she want to go fight the baby mother. So you see the wall me wall or so.
People, word on the street, meaning Dyema. I think cute boss, I say Raja line up the man and the woman. You see me I say? So Raja must mash up the man and the woman relationship. Give the man foreign woman. And me I go tell the foreign woman them too. And the foreign man them. You always I come to Jamaica and I come take the best woman them and take the best man them. Why you not take some of the man them who not go on for? Some of the worst man them who not really go on for them way there. Eh? Take some of them man because no fun come mash up good family home in Jamaica. Because a man not say no to a foreigner and a woman not say no to a foreigner. Well, maybe few of them will say no, but not all. Majority are going to say yes. You see me? So let me know what you think with people what some more.
The baby father beat up the baby mother. So me hold her, but she still want to go fight. But me I say to her, say you don't need to go fight. So the dog done a fight her already there. What you can go do? So me hold her because me no want you come and a fight. Him done a fight already. Him done a fight for you already. She push you and him a beat up she. Right? Him to push you, remember me in front wall here and I look, me can't see what going behind me. Anybody fear watch you are your husband cause him there behind me. You understand what me I try to say? Him there behind me, you know. So everybody will fear watch. And him a watch you. Because the moment she push you, you say you fling the buckle in her head. Because remember me not see what going behind me, you know. Me not see what going behind me. Remember me not see what going behind me. So when you say she push you and you fling the buckle in her head, me no see none of that cause when me spin round, so the only thing me see and the baby father beat up the baby mother, me I hold you and I say don't go. I mean hold you throughout the situation and bring you go to my table and then you go come on TikTok and say me gone left you. Good morning, just a girl. Good morning, my beautiful people. Just a girl, let me give you Maddie so. See if you have Maddie. Oh, you have Maddie so. Remember, you know, people, look on it, you know. Look on it, you know. She said me gone left her gone on my table. The woman a paint a bad picture for me. Remember, you know, me hold your hand. Throughout the situation, me a hold your hand and say, don't go, hold your so. While your baby father beat up him baby mother, me hold your so. Till everything done, I walk with you go to my table and you stand up on my table with me and your baby father come and take off the shirt with tear up. I ask him if him good, I will stand up there. And me I talk to you and I tell you say easy, Ray. And then you go say me walk if you gone on my table. Woman use a wicked blood clot woman. Use a wicked woman if you say that. People throughout the whole situation. The only thing me did I do is wall she, because remember she is my gifter. She come to Jamaica. The only thing I can do is sit with that. See him friend when him Gio the writer so. The only thing I can sit with is that. Sit with say you're safe. You come to me to Jamaica. The next thing people, when this woman and this man are link up, I wasn't there. When this woman and this man are look each other, I wasn't there. Because me tell her from the get-go, my friend them a dog. Ask her if me not tell her that. Me say I will never set you up on none of my friend them cause my friend them a dog. Ask her if me not tell her that. And the next thing, I tell her that point blank say I not set you up on none of my friend them because my friend them a dog. We got Duns River. At Duns River, them link up, you know. We got Duns River. Remember, I know them gonna climb falls. Me no like them sitting there because me no want drop. So me blood clot sit down way down at the beach. If you don't know where Duns River there, you don't know far the blood clot beach there from the falls. So when them a link up, me no know. Me just hear she depend Roger. Later blocks coming to take me for a ride on the bike. Me say, huh? Blocks taking you for a ride on the bike? Me say, Me say, okay. Me not say nothing because I know my business and you know what I'm glad for. When them a look one another, them never did it. Because me and the baby mother cool and me and she cool. So I never want in the fucking middle. Because I know when push come to shove, you're gonna hear say, it's me, gear man. Like what Dyema said over there. And ask the witch. Ask the blood clot, which me I call her now, because she come tell lie for me and the no say lie for me, you know. Was there when she looking the man, or the man looking her, or however I go. I wasn't fucking there. Because me tell her say, I nah give none of my friend them. Because my friend them a dog. I remember the next thing, I could give her a man because she said she no want no man we young. I me tell her my friend them young. She said she no want no man under 35. And the man was she there with at 26 and tell her he was 27. So him trick her with the age and push it up one. Him trick her and tell her he was 27 and he was 26. Remember, him trick her until I must 20. So I never know, because she said she never want a man under 35. Them a young man, so me could give her him, because that is not what she said she did want. I never know when them there. So people are gonna make it look like say, Dyema gonna say me, gay, or the man. No, I lie not tell. When the man and the woman look one another, I wasn't there.
Hey people, that's why you don't feel it's a one side of story, you know. That's why you don't feel it's a one side of story. You see, Roger have to come clear it up, say I know him and Dyema say it and would I believe Dyema cause I hit me there I say, although me I say already on the street Dyema say, you know what I mean, me not talk like say something me know say a facts. You see it. So let me know what the thing. We'll listen some more Roger say. And we're gonna go over Dyema, you know what I mean? We're gonna go over Dyema, go hear what Dyema say. So he might get the blame you know because him know the two women them and him also know the man. What is father?
When the woman said the man come bring her up on the bike, me say, huh? What me I gotta do tell her don't make him bring her on the bike, I know my blood clot business. I know my business. So what the baby mother do now is I tell people say me give her baby father my gift and all of them something, and it's not true and it keep pissing me off. Remember you know the son I'm a godson. I pull up one day you know after all of this you know. Remember him and the woman there you know, and if me did I pray the baby mother. Remember me pull up after this you know, and pull up and stop in and ask her where my godson there you know. The woman cuss me and say don't talk to me, you give my baby father your gift her. Don't talk to my picnic, don't chat to my picnic. I remember I'm a godson you know, and she run me. People you know what me do? I didn't cuss her. I just turn up my music in my car, shame like a dog. A shame. Because I said to myself, now you see what happened? This me did I run from. Me know say if them sitting here happen, and me I go in at the middle. So me never give nobody. Really and truly the woman did come to Jamaica look a man. She did come to Jamaica look a man because I mean she did want first, but she get the understanding so she couldn't get me. Because she can't kick question foot. And she can't buy me out. So she get the understanding say she can't get me. Make me break the ice phone. The woman come to Jamaica with the it gonna send money gun, you know, because I know me now come get an early story and not get nothing. Some people not send my money gun. Me and Dyema know the same thing. Me not have a carelessness. When me come and I give my advice, me I look my early money gun them. The woman did come to Jamaica. You know, see the woman married the man in less than 3 months. All of this what she do, you know, I have to make the baby mother feel bad, you know. T-Play, good morning, beautiful. I like that. T-Play send one thing on PayPal. Nobody send me it yesterday morning early. Me have to get on PayPal. TikTok and go split it. You can send me something on PayPal, T-Play. People next week are election week. Everything we are dealing with next week is about election. The People's National Party will come in out because we have to bring down Andrew. Andrew have to go down. It have to be an end to the Jamaica Labour Party. But as what me I say people, T-Play send me something in the cash, the PayPal. I'm gonna put up the PayPal. Or the cash app or the Zelle. See the PayPal there? SeanConsry@gmail.com. The Cash App is $Onela22. The Zelle is o.savizan@icloud.com. Screenshot it, T-Play. T-Play, screenshot it. Screenshot it, T-Play. You screenshot it, T-Play. T-Play, screenshot it. Tell me. If you type no green art under you, remember I tell you no respect my space. Me I go block you and mute you. Me not care about the view right now. I'm going to block you and mute you. This is not phone place. It's my ground this. And you see me I come get the scoop now, I want my money gun them in the morning here. Alright, back to the story now, people. Remember the woman did come to Jamaica with that intention to get a man. She did want me at first, she could get me. I was off limit. You know what I tell that woman up on the phone, people? I go tell you how I did. I real to that woman, yeah. I tell that woman straight on the phone, say, if you're looking at man, don't make it be built on money. Because if it's built on what you can give, the moment you cannot give, T-Play, big up yourself. The moment you cannot give, they're going to run left you. The moment you cannot give, you're not going to be of use to them. You know, got ask that woman if me not sit down with her on my phone and reason her with them way. She want a man so bad she look man over phone, it no work. I tell a lady, say lady, if you want a man, make it happen naturally. If you go on a vacation and you want somebody like Jamaicans, make it somebody to see you and like one another naturally. I don't know. Connect naturally. Don't make it be on the terms of money and what you can give. These are the reasoning I have with this lady on my phone. These are the things I tell this lady on the phone, and I don't need to lie. I tell a lady straight because people me could have take her and use her and steal out her account and pretend like I want her. Me could have do that. Me could have take her and do her turn her in a one and blood clot Lady Louise like we able to Lady Louise. I could have do that. But that wasn't my aim. That is not me because that wouldn't sit right with me. If you're gonna give me something, give me it off your own free will. Give me it because you want to give it, not forcefully. You understand me? She married a Jamaican already, and as she bring the man a foreign, the man run left her and move go out with the next woman. And you no learn, and you no blood clot learn, and you come over here come tell the people about you're Christian, you's no Christian. You didn't run to blood clot God because you did feel like say you not have no way out. I remember as you see body you backslide. She still no learn. Me tutor the woman and tell the woman say no make no man take you up because of where you can give them. Remember me could have take her and use her because me she want first. And when she come to Jamaica and she get this man, I wasn't there. I didn't know. So you know what upset me? When the baby mother come at me and say me no. It hurt me because I really never know. People want to send the money on them, you know. Send the money on them. Thank you. It hurt me because me and her are cool. You see me? The only thing I said to this man, say, you know, say, big man, let me tell you this. Me not tell no lie for you. Say anything where you do now, do it like a man. Say anything your baby mother asks me, I'm going to tell her. And anything your woman asks me, I'm going to tell her. Them know me. Me I go show no people. You know say him fuck on the baby mother already. And I me go tell her everything. Me I go show no how me stay. Me I go show no how me stay people. You know him fuck on the baby mother already with a foreigner. The foreigner fly down him use all the baby mother car go pick up the foreigner. And me call her and me tell her every mama blood clot, me say the boy have a girl.
Hey, one thing with Raja and him, I got chat with Fame Boss Mouth, you know. So it look like I one of the friend them with Raja by the bike, my people. And the girl, where girl name again, man? Where name we come here what day, where them did go clubbing? A girl, a big gifter, man. She used to give Otto to. One of the time Otto did ask her if she a transmission. You see me? He look like a she. Rascal people. Make what some more?
Come from, can me tell him say, me not tell no lie for you. Me not tell no blood clot lie for you, cause the girl treat you good. You know live nowhere the girl take you up and put you in her house. She clean you up, she do everything for you. I'm not telling no lie for you. Me not pretend for you, I don't know say me a fridge. When you know say me a fridge and me can't keep nothing. You don't know this already, don't chat. Say me a old fridge and me can't keep nothing. You don't know so when the boy woman come from foreign, him come and borrow me car. If you go pick up the girl at airport and me tell him say, hey, I now want to be a part of this. I not giving you my blood clot car cause you're too wicked. That me tell him. And you know when my blood clot do people as him go for the girl with the baby mother car and just call her and tell her say the boy have a girl come from foreign and the girl and him pick up the girl with your car and me tell her every moment blood clot the only thing I couldn't tell her the address because them never tell me where them are going. Me I'll tell the baby mother say you know say Ashan cousin, my woman cousin and my girl cousin, you know. Me tell her every moment blood clot so she all a cause Shan so you know say me let out everything like a old fridge pan him. For sure you say me could wicked to this girl because me did in your defense before. You understand? Me let out everything because here when wicked to the girl did pregnant and when she pregnant him I do her all of them things you know. So you know when me look on that woman you know we come and tell her say lady I not get none of my friend them you know because my friend them a dog, my friend them a bag of girl them deal with. So I not get none of my friend them me not putting myself in that situation because it's when push come to shove and them fuck pie and gear bone and me a go in the blood clot problem and you go tell me say me a wicked and me did take up my friend gear and me know say my friend I go do this and do that. People no wrong me, tell me if you no wrong me. Ask the woman if me not tell her that. Send the money gun them people, please me I beg you no. Send the money gun chat.
Me not listen to Raja, me read him comment. Raja come by live and cuss out the baby mother blood clot. The baby mother put Raja over pink wall and class. Raja, don't listen to Raja. Raja does and the woman there free and Raja they boss liberty. Stop listen to Raja. You must stop listen to Raja. Come here, son. You know, listen when me I say to you. But Raja do with woman, man. You boss and Raja good friend, you know. But you know, see Raja give with woman, man, and know the woman talk. Aye, liberty and boss. Raja give with the woman, man, and then I said the woman have all right for a coach after him give with the woman, man. What up, listen to Raja, Jesus Christ. Raja! Raja, go! Raja, I'm the first man to see you wake early. Who the fuck wake you up? Raja, go on, man! Gee, love Raja, man. You never see blood clot Raja for life one early morning, yeah? Diamond, come here. Diamond, come here, no? May I tell you one story like that where Raja do? Raja, everybody. Come here, Raja, come by your class, the girl and bring down the girl already, you know. Raja, the class, everybody don't listen to, me tell you now, listen, Raja. Let me tell you one story, no, Diamond. Yeah. Let me tell you one story, Diamond. One time, me as far as Olympic wear. And me take one girl carry down a rim and go get it done. And then, when me take the girl, them our man vex with me, so me take back one of my friends from down a rim and carry go Olympic wear, go give for our man. Diamond, me end up in the middle, come give the two people them. Diamond, me give the girl to a man down a rim and carry back one girl a rim and go get to fear man, you know. Then me did wrong, Diamond. Remember, say me take a female man, go give a man. So me not take back one girl, go give back fear man. Everybody vex with me, trouble out, clan. Oh, that's Molin. Wait, right, that's all. See, that's all. All right, that's all. Raja now. Wait. Raja, go on, leave the place. Because I never see you wake so early yet, so I don't know why you wake this morning so early. Raja, go! Raja! You're the woman who bench and batty. Raja, you're the woman a friend. Raja, all you just done for the woman, so. Eh? I'm not busy, don't know. her about that because she never mentioned you. I swear me the right, so you never mentioned nothing about you. Roger, I swear you know me not tell lie. She never mentioned nothing about you. I swear if me tell lie, I'm a so. She never mentioned nothing about you. I swear, Roger. If you never come on your class now, you know say. If you never come on your class now, you realize say. To me see the class, me say you new man not talk your class. 9 Rose chat. Ask the wicked woman she tell lie for me. Me go ask her now. You ask her no like yourself you ask, but me know so no in a bangarang. A straight woman never tell me nothing about say nothing about you. I saw the woman come talk and my back so never hide and seek talk. I never pan phone talk. I never pan phone talk. The woman talk.
There's money turn about the comment section. 6 questions.
She never mentioned nothing
legendary, thank you.
She never mentioned nothing about you.
Tiffany, thank you, baby. Chat what we can't catch your speed with so much people.
Leave me place, leave me place, but bring up Roger. If you went that serious, Roger, that clicking you on a live and talk. One man or not two mix up, leave me place.
I go left now too, cause even not even the speed me can't catch a blood clot. Lorraine, thank you, the blessed one. Thank you, no babies. Cute. Never the speed me can't catch and so much people are people.
All if she didn't mention, you not tell me. When nobody mention nothing about me, the blood clot tell me. Roger go and call the woman not say nothing about you. Go and where they go. Me not business with you and Melissa. Because see you and Melissa together don't get me involved. I don't care about you and Melissa. I come here, come see you and Melissa together. Don't get me involved. I come see
Dyema, you can't business with them for true. Roger not take it serious, you know. Roger take it for joke.
No,
Roger not taking it serious.
You boss, because see Roger and Melissa. You understand me? The lady comes to boss. Me know the lady, me don't know the lady as in personally. Me know the lady because me know the lady follow me for Instagram. You understand me? I say, Q-Boss, listen. Lady follow me for Instagram, that's so me know her. The first time me see her in person, Roger carry her at my party.
Roger love him friend, but Roger love him friend Melissa. But me I tell you what, me don't know where make them fell out, but me I go read them up.
Melissa not so nothing about Roger. I mean I know I'm call Roger. They say all she say, but woman not so nothing about Roger to me for true, you boss. Woman not so nothing true.
Derek Morgan over there done me. Then what me do, Derek?
Even they do say woman and Roger no problem. I sure cause all the woman I worry about right now, cute boss. The woman I worry about him husband. You man not having nobody, woman I talk about him husband. That the woman depend. Not me, you, Roger, nobody, her husband. That the lady depend.
Yeah, cause the woman come out to her husband strong in my husband.
Yeah, and that the lady depend. Lady not busy about nobody, but the lady, you notice the lady, not even want to call Roger name, nothing bad, nothing, whatever. The ladies are different, her husband. That's all the woman are different. You understand me? Q-Boss, remember we all went and we get one man, we have to defend him, man, you know. But we all get them regular. Yeah. Derek is on him live right now. I do what?
Stop level up, man.
Because the boy woman don't want to call him man name over here. Suppose the woman don't want to call him man name over here. The woman married, and if me married, me I say my husband, no blood clot, you know, too grudgeful. Eh?
Woman said, our husband.
Why you so grudgeful and bad mind and barbarizing? Eh? Why the woman wants your husband?
In all honesty.
Well. So my people, me not gonna tell you no lie. You know what I mean? Roger no do nothing wrong. The only wrong thing me see Roger do, I call the woman and tell her say the man gonna pick up other woman with her vehicle. Yeah, that's the only thing. And he would wrong in the site the woman where that's the ex-woman. He would have wrong in the site of the friend. You know what I mean? So wanna make me know what to think. Watch some more. And again, my people, I don't know if you listen to everybody's story with them can tell, you know. I don't hear them and them a chat and the man come talk the real thing what go on. I don't hear them and them a say that's why I don't know if you listen to two sides of every story.
Still, you know, we have to protect each other as women. B0Ss, thank you, baby. We have to protect each other as women. I'm going to tell you something.
I'm not like when crowd over here, you know, coming to work at night, you know. And for a man at 12 at my work.
Blood clotting was I mean they recover there, listen. You know say Derek coming so.
Derek what? Derek! Derek what?
Derek!
I pay a big badge over here. Shampoo, you not even follow me in my comment section. Me I go block you. You comment too much. And then you go give me one gift.
What we do?
And you not follow me, where you want? Where your name? Naga, where you want name? With a big 36 badge. You not follow me now. You not in my comment section. I want one.
Diamond!
I want. Where's your class?
Then what we do, uncle?
My class, we. Say if you're broke, where they come, like how you're broke, still come out of the comment section, watch from far. I want to comment, no, just go and watch.
That on the power tap.
So what we do, uncle? B0Ss.
Money over here come for set up uncle. Show them say uncle watch way. Hear them come over here about B0Ss uncle over there class, yo. When we go over there watch uncle watch the live and them come and tell live our uncle. Lie them and tell my poor uncle. Wicked. Wanna come over here and tell like my uncle for?
B0Ss me can't bother with man, me just a fuck. B0Ss me can't bother with man, me just a fuck I enjoy life, yeah man.
Let me tell you something. Diamond. May I tell you something? Chat use the first strip to make we do something on chat. Italian Queen Tiffany, thank you baby. Chat use the first double. But enough one money gun pan it. Let me tell you something, Diamond. I'm done see the problem already, but me a girl not like trouble certain things. But Diamond, that woman needs protection, and me and you know this, Diamond.
Yes, let me tell you something about me, B0Ss. Let me tell you something about me. Me not tell a girl believe them man. And when me see woman in love with them man, we go in between. If me not have nothing good to say, believe it a blood clot loan. So when them say me bias, me not care. Because right now no care. Right now no care what you tell the woman say the woman love you man. So where the fuck me are going like that?
And that's why me have to it ticklish, so me have to know what me are saying. I'm tell you something.
Yeah, me not say nothing. I'm not talking about my bias. Me not bias.
Tell nobody. And then you can't box food.
That's the same like how you pick out.
You can't box food out of nobody mouth.
That's the same like how you pick out the wrong way you say Bianca, you know a lie. And then me pick out when me know say Bianca they say a true. You understand me? I don't care what Bianca say. I don't care what me say. I don't care what you say. The woman love him and I not gonna let him man. So the blood clot me for say.
God, woman love her man for true.
You understand me as a B0Ss?
Yeah, chat, focus.
B0Ss, Melissa is a Aries.
Chat. We are look at snipe.
Me not personally know Melissa good like that. Me not personally know Melissa like in person like that. I want you me meet her real. You understand me what a lady where they follow me for back then for Instagram days or whatever. You understand me? And me
understand like your Diamond.
Yeah, I see a little time when me know Melissa.
No, when you love dead in a love.
Nobody can go tell her nothing. All the man take a bit idiot. You go those fuck said we till when you say to yourself you take a bit idiot, then you go. So Alright.
But if you listen, Melissa not sound like idiot, Melissa just knows that she had troubleshoot. Melissa don't sound like she an idiot.
Alright.
Yeah, she say when her husband comes, she and him will talk and she know where she will take the relationship from there.
Thank you.
So she not
like how when the boy
take when nobody say.
Just like how when the internet depend. Will listen up. Just like how when the internet depend. My man, they take me feed that, I mean, know me, they fuck me, no business about nobody.
Parents, people learn for themselves. Them don't listen to what people say.
Nobody
learn for themselves.
You know, make no sense nobody. Yeah, you know, make no sense nobody go in a Melissa head because Melissa go just watch until he realize if he man attack him for idiot, he want to see within 2 years because I saw me stay. And then he go just start. So it don't make no sense. Nobody say nothing. Cause I don't know, I just so they stay, they stubborn. Cause remember say
people, you see, sometimes we as man and woman too, you know, we love likes, you know. You see me I say? And sometimes we have a one woman, a real woman, and we make a next woman lead we are straight. That's why I tell you to say, yo, a man, we run down a woman with a big hole but she have money. Remember me tell her. that a man we do. When money did it, a man want did it. You see it. Likewise, woman still, but no woman nah run down no little old woman, no little old man who have money. You see me? I say a woman prefer a big old man who broke. Me I tell you that. You see it. So people, who just make me know what you're thinking in the comment section. We're gonna play some more of this.
That's nice.
Super. Remember, everybody want me about Willie, you know. Remember, everybody want me about him long time, you know. And me still give me benefit I don't. And me still rough it out until he improve me wrong. Improve me right. But me still saying wicked for sure. Because me I say, me never true. Because to me, I say, me don't never true friend them, they like me, who they like me, no matter it things them. So me never care. Me don't listen to nobody, me just block my ears, don't care nobody at all. And me do what me have to do. Till when me take my blood clot, yeah, you say my dog shit for true. Me just know say I eat that and me go fuck and go about me. Yes.
What's your name? What's your name there? Somebody in here says she married too quick. They don't know what that is.
You can't tell nobody. You can't
listen,
tell nobody married.
Listen, Dyema. A whole heap of people married quick and the marriage work out.
Cute boss, you hear the woman say?
No people married quick and it work out.
You hear the woman talk sense in the situation and she willing and volunteer for help.
All we are going on talk about who married quick. You don't know the butterfly when Miss Williams feeling her pussy make
you know the woman say tree. You know the woman say tree, you never fuck.
And she get butterfly in her pussy and whale and dolphin and every caterpillar and everything.
Whether married or not, true, we are Jamaican, we don't love married. We get good cocky, and the cocky rest now we all good. We start by all these things to move on up hypocrite like a blood clot and go. Because some man not buy man before you even get the cock. Move on a blood clot when you get the cock, you know. When you get the cock sometime.
Right, you talk about that. And that you talk about, you know much of them, they are not married yet, but as them get the first fuck, them start by love. Remember the lady one? Oh, no say, I know she alone still in a chat, don't go through, fear won't come to the surface, but I will have a chat. When we feel a good fuck in our whole, we take the relationship personal, and when the boy in a relationship with we. Remember now? Come on and stop the run pass. Come here. A whole heap we get the good fuck, and as we get it, we drop in a love.
Listen what me I tell you, boss. Me is a year is me I tell you. When you lie, me is a year is cute boss. I say that you like somebody. No care what nice are making your blood clot ears. You not listen. Until you figure it out yourself. Took your thank
you know one thing me know for sure, Dyema?
Yeah.
If it was a girl at Jamaica, I'm never ever go marry her in a 2 months.
No.
I said what I said. If it was a normal girl at Jamaica, I never married her in a 2 months.
But come here. But me not the man no push no married for Miss Williams, you know. And Miss Williams like him, and she say I go through rough life and feel like he help him. He's not. But as
Miss Williams have a big ass.
Yeah, but as he may be, he never push no married. He never push no married.
Miss Williams have a big ass.
Just like blood clot, me go fuck the boy that tell me blood clot, the man drop a jail. And me take up my blood clot, little earnings to buy me hardy. And blood clot, put the kitchen part where my plywood drop on my head. I get the blood clot, boy. I see him team, me tell her here is for a big heart, cute boss.
Yeah, she have a big heart. But come here, Dyema, me I tell you something. Say, you see now this? We can't blame none of the female them. I'm glad Bianca come talk. And Miss Williams, Sophie, thank you. We can't blame none of the female them at this point. The 2 females them are victims. So right here now, you know what me would have tell Bianca say? Leave him to Miss Williams being as she done married him already. Bianca leave him, make him go on.
Miss Williams say we want to get married.
Bianca leave him to him wife. Because she done married him and claims him with last name. Bianca, leave him my niece. Leave him, make him buck him to over Miss Williams. He go show Miss Williams who him is.
Well, yes, he go show Miss Williams who
him is. Himself, Bianca, leave him.
He go show Miss Williams who him is. And if I saw him walk around and play the man hard, he go box somebody, go fuck him up.
That time, Ellard's no fewer like a woman's scorn. Hey, Bianca, leave him, niece. Miss Legendary, thank you, baby. Triple chat.
Bianca decides.
Thank you. Leave him, Bianca.
Bianca decides, say, she not leg on Miss Williams say, me not leg on either.
Oh, that means that the whole I will have competition. Triple chat. Thank you, Tiffany. So feminist. Big up. Triple chat. Blood clot.
I true me no love. I true me no love. I true me no love going in a comment section. I true me no like read on comment
But
section.
you know what I mean? Like, it reach me, Diamond. I'm going to explain something to you what reach me.
You know, so when Bianca they talk, enough things to bring my right, but me as a woman I read out comment section and I saw me stay. So me just turn it off.
Let me tell you something, Diamond. You know what reach me? You see my baby father family them. You see when me just there with my baby father. My baby father. Next baby mother.
Say Roger starting live. Wanna go on over Roger no? Go on over Roger. Cause this is a woman argument.
Roger starting live. Talk my story now. Me I go talk my story now.
Yes.
You see when me there with my baby father, Diamond. Me hear the family them talk. Be things about another baby mother. Bag of things. I mean fresh now, so me and them a spar. Bag of things talk about another baby mother. But me is the type of person, me no buy out. Me just listen. You understand me? Me never jump the gun. Me never pray the next baby mother. Nothing at all. Me no jump the gun or nothing. Because me know, me is a friendly person with kind. So everybody like me know I'm business. Watch your joke now. You see the baby mother, them talk all sort of manner evil about her. Me just listen. Me never buy out. Me never pick up.
Oh, no, come back. Don't blood clot come back.
Let me tell you something now, Diamond. You see, because me is a kind, friendly person, so everybody accept me and I burn out the nether baby mother. Them burn her, man. And I'm tell you something, chat. Yeah, my baby father left. My baby father gone foreign. And he married. I have him wife. I remember, you know, me and my baby father and they no chat. But when me tell you, say, the family, them a tear me down with the wife. Them bring me down because of the highest bid account. Them running at the wife and the wife can't give them things and them just start bring me down. Me said track them bring me down. Same way how them bring down the nether baby mother with me. I saw them go bring me down with the wife. So in a family law is the highest bid account to no friend.
Cuba says sometime me there with man. Cuba says sometime me there with man. Me no bother with their family.
Oh.
You see the broke nose. You know what broke nose mother tell me say one day.
People, you have some people, like some family where you see anybody who have the sweets and a person that them a link with the right show. You know what I mean? And a person that them love. But you have some family where, you know what I mean, like nobody wants to see them youth with the worst person. They want to see them youth with somebody where them say, yes, okay, well, you know what I mean? Him in a good hands or she in a good hands. So that's why when it comes to like in-laws and people in general, you can't really trust what a person are going to say or do behind your back, or when it comes to a next person with money, because people change like the way them people. So you can't put your trust in a people. You know what I mean? I don't know who name broke nose or who them are called broke nose. I will it. So we could hear what you must say. Because we're not going to watch this too long. We're going to... No man, this video around too long, man. No. I have to stop it right here. So people, I have to stop it right here. So this is it. You know what I mean?